If you were just to look at how much effort this is taking me and the type of activation that I'm getting in my quads here, it would be easy to assume that I'm pushing up a ton of weight. In reality, I am not working against anything other than my own body weight, and that touches on a principle that I really want to hammer home. Lifting and building muscle is not about how much weight you're throwing around, but about the intensity with which you do your workouts and the intelligent manipulation of resistance. The Sissy Squat is an excellent knee strengthener and quad killer. The key is to get your knees as far out over your feet as you can, while simultaneously getting your weight as far back as you can, while keeping your back perfectly straight. And then rocking back on your heels and squeezing those quads as hard as you can. The nice thing with this one is that it's very easy to change how much resistance you're getting by how much you're holding on to whatever you are supporting yourself with. And as an extra bonus, because it's all based on body weight, you can easily do this exercise from the comfort of your own home.